Hello, today I want to tell you about this 44-inch Whitney planer. It's a S-290 planer. It has a 40 horsepower cutter motor, 3 horsepower feed. This is what comes with the machine. It's a manual for the single surfacer. It has 3 sets of knives. One set here is sharp. One set here we just switched out, so these are dull knives. It runs a 24-inch knife and a 20-inch knife on each of the 4 cutters, so you can switch the knives around. This machine's in really good condition. We're currently using it. The only reason we are selling this machine is because we're upgrading to a double-sided surfacer. Everything is currently maintained on the machine. As I mentioned, 44 inches wide. You can see it has electrical shutoffs, everything that you would expect, safety guards, dust hood. It's ready to go. It does have the knife sharpener attachment, but it is missing the grinder. So this part does work, but right now we're just sending the knives out and having them sharpened. You can see that the bed on this machine is in pretty good condition. We keep it waxed, it's very smooth. It has scratches and things you'd expect from the age of this machine. It's about 40 years old, but as I mentioned, it runs great. All right, let's fire it up. I wanted to also mention that we have replaced the main motor bearings. So the bearings on the left and the right side of this motor have been removed and replaced. These old ones really aren't bad, but they were a little bit noisy. Also comes with the blade knife set removal wrench. You really need this special wrench or you're not getting these knives out. And it comes with the knife set so that you can get the height of the knives correct. A couple of other quick things I wanted to show you about this machine that you may be curious about. You can see the raise and lower on the machine. Going up, going down. Actuated by these Acme rods and wedge bed system here. You can also control the height manually with this wheel if you ever wanted to do that for some reason. This gauge is pretty accurate, works great. This machine can take off up to, I would say, 1/4 of an inch of material per pass at full width. On soft material, 1/8 is a little bit better. You get a cleaner cut quality. On dimensional lumber, this pile of boards we were running, while it's pine, any kind of dimensional lumber you can take off really 1/4 inch if you want to, anything down to 1/8. And you can see from the adjustment level on the machine, you have pretty fine-tuned adjustment here. So So you can really dial in your cut just fine. I'm gonna turn the machine on one more time for you so that you can really hear it start up without the dust collector.